Today I'm going to teach you how to solve spacing between nested containers in Elementor. You might have noticed unwanted gaps appearing between your nested elements, and this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to control that spacing for a cleaner, more polished layout. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages in the left sidebar. This will display all the pages on your site. Find the page where you're experiencing spacing issues with your nested containers and click the Edit with Elementor button. This opens up the Elementor editor where you'll have full control over your page structure. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, you'll need to locate the plus icon. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Flexbox. Flexbox is Elementor's powerful container system that gives you precise control over layout and spacing. Once you've added the Flexbox container, go ahead and select your structure. This is essentially choosing how you want your elements arranged within that container. Here's where the spacing control comes in, with the parent container selected, meaning the main container that's holding your nested elements. Look over to the left panel. You'll see several tabs there, and you need to click on the Layout tab. This is where Elementor stores all the spacing and alignment options for your containers. In the Layout tab, look for the section labeled Gaps. This is the key to solving your spacing problem. The gap setting specifically controls the space between elements inside your container. You can adjust the element's gap value by either typing in a number or using the slider. Reducing this value will bring your nested containers closer together, while increasing it will add more breathing room. The beauty of this approach is that you're controlling spacing at the container level, which means all nested elements inside will follow the same spacing rule, giving you consistent results across your design. And that's it. By adjusting the Elements gap in the Layout tab, you've taken complete control over the spacing between your nested containers in Elementor. This simple adjustment can dramatically improve the look and feel of your page layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.